Good evening, guys. So, as you can hear from the background, that the Thunki is playing, and Prosenjit is obviously very excited. And we have reached early today in to this Zone by Park Hotel, which is at Rajarhat. So, our plan today is to have the mega Pujo Bhoj. So, Prosenjit is accompanying me today. He is very shy today. I don't know why. But probably he wants more crowd, and I guess this place is absolutely, you see, it's totally sparse right now, but I guess it's going to get filled as the hour goes by. So this is today we are having the authentic Bengali cuisine, and in addition to that we'll be having some more dishes. So we'll be trying out something new at start. Right now we have been served with a starter. This is the fish devil, and as you can see, Prosenjit is really munching on those delights. So we are hoping to have a fantastic night today on the Ostami night, and this is a wonderful place. It's buzzing. The Thunki is playing in the background, as you can hear. And Prosenjit, are you excited? Yeah, very excited. So let's see how it goes, and I'll show you what kind of dishes are being served today. And we are on a buffet today. It's typical Bengali cuisine. So we are I guess in the third floor of this mega hotel here in Rajarhat, just near the Vishwa Bangla Convention Center. So let's hope. We are really hoping for a fantastic night out. Yeah, evening rather. Thank you. This is the fish devil. I've just immersed it in the sauce, and I'm just going to have it. Superb. Wonderful. So this is the typical onion pyaji which we have been served. This also looks very finely made. You can see it's beautiful. So I'll just have this, and we are hoping for some more sumptuous dishes. This is basically hugli frill, they call it. A bit of lime, mint and jaljeera. Brilliant juice. It looks brilliant from the outside. I just had it, and it's awesome. Wonderful. So here we come to the main course. You can see my plate is full of different kinds of chaat which they have made. The first and foremost is the dahi vada, then the aloo kabli chaat, and there's different form of chaat also which is there. So let's just get on to it, and hopefully our taste buds will be completely filled right now. So yes, we are raring to go ahead with the main course which we have been provided today. Okay, so here I'm going to taste this dahi vada. Too good, superb. So this is this aloo kabli chaat. Lovely. Okay, now we move to luchi. We move to chola dal, typical aloo bhaja, the aloo dum, potol bhaja, and begun bhaja. Typical Bengali style authentic cuisine, and well, it really looks yummy and delicious. Yes, the platter now consists of Mishti Bhog basmati rice. This is the dark bungalow mutton. So soft, so delicate, wonderful. Look at these pieces. Khete khub moja lagbe. The typical chutney, tomato chutney. This is the typical ame chutney, and I'm left with some potol korma and begun bhaja. So I'll just hope that this will be as sumptuous as the whole meal is. It's been awesome, wonderful. So I'm going to try out the Mishti Bhog fried rice and the mutton. This is beautifully. I'm gonna mix with little bit of chutney. Look at this. This is just brilliant. This wonderful.
The mutton is so delicate, so subtle. It's just beautiful. Friends, you must try here. It's superb. The food is absolutely awesome.
Now, if you look at the second time which I brought this main course menu, obviously the mutton pieces are larger. Now, this is the Tangra style chili chicken, and I'm not a big fan of chingdi, but I brought some. This was basically the Bhapa-ilish chingdi, so I brought some mustard from that particular dish. So yes, let's try this. It's beautiful. This is the Tangra style chili chicken, the mutton pieces. So here we are. We have completed our dinner. It was a wonderful day. Prashanjit had a fantastic time. Even I had equally one of the best time ever. So that's it for this year. I don't think tomorrow or day after tomorrow we are going to venture out because of this COVID situation. But again, thumbs up to the Zone by Park, Kolkata. It was a wonderful Pujol Bhoj, and we hope that we'll come back next year with a equally sumptuous treat at some other place. So thank you so much, Prashanjit, for your time. We had a wonderful night, and it's time to head back home. Thank you. Bye bye.